Hello, welcome students. Welcome to our next class of geography, and our today's topic is layers of atmosphere, or you can say structure of atmosphere. In our previous class we have discussed about atmosphere. What is atmosphere? It is a layer of air surrounding our earth that protects our earth from harmful rays of the earth. It contains certain gases, mixture of dust particle and smoke. Other gases are present in our atmosphere. Different gases are present in our atmosphere, and the gases play major role in the life of human beings, or all the living organism on the earth. So this atmosphere is having different layers within it, and there are 5 layers within our atmosphere. Total number of layers are 5. Starting from the first layer, which is closest to the earth, is troposphere. Then next to troposphere is stratosphere. Then after that is mesosphere, then thermosphere, and the last one is exosphere. As you can see the diagram behind me, which is on the board, it will be more clear to you. This is our planet Earth. The first layer, the closest layer, is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and the last one is exosphere. So we will be discussing them one by one, but in today's topic we are going to discuss about the first layer, that is troposphere. Troposphere, the word this troposphere has been from a Greek word, means tropos means changing or mixing or turn into. So this troposphere has been formed from a Greek word known as tropos. Meaning of tropos is change into or mix into. Second most important point about troposphere is it is the closest layer to the earth, and it is the densest layer. Why it is said as densest layer? Because out of 100% of the gases present in our atmosphere, 75% of air is present in troposphere. Maximum volume of air, maximum mass of that air is present in troposphere, in this layer. Now the third point is that troposphere is the place where weather changes takes place. It is responsible for weather changes like rainfall, then storm, then formation of clouds. These all changes takes place in troposphere. Now the second point, next point to this we can discuss about troposphere is that troposphere traps terrestrial heat. Though I have mentioned over here in the last, but we will discuss it before why. Troposphere traps terrestrial heat. That means it keeps the temperature of the earth normal for human settlement. That means during daytime, this is the layer which absorbs the heat in such a way that during daytime it does not allow the temperature of the earth to go to its extreme level. That means it will not allow the earth to heat very high, and during the night time, as it traps terrestrial heat, it keeps the earth warm. It is very essential for us. This troposphere is very essential for us. Why it is essential for us? Because it contains the air which we breathe in. And which is the air we breathe in? Oxygen. Since maximum percentage of air is present in troposphere, it contains all the important airs that we human beings need for our survival. Now, the last point of troposphere is known as tropopause. I have mentioned this here. Upper boundary, the uppermost boundary of troposphere is tropopause. Now, why it is said as tropopause? Why the word is pause? Tropopause. 2 words are there. Pause. Why the word is pause? What is the meaning of pause? When you want to stop anything, that means pause. Suppose you are playing a video, you are watching a movie, and if you want to stop that, you touch the pause button. You touch the pause button and the video stops till then, until and unless you press the play button. So same way here also, tropopause means, why the word is tropopause? Because in our previous classes we have read, as we go higher in the atmosphere, temperature and pressure both they decrease with increase in height. As I have mentioned here, both temperature and pressure decrease with increase in height. But in the tropopause, means the upper boundary of the troposphere, where tropopause is there, that means between stratosphere and troposphere, this is the place where temperature and pressure will not decrease with increase in height. Tropopause, that means there will be no change in temperature and pressure with increase in height. That means the temperature will be and the pressure will be still over there. There will be no change. Tropopause marks the upper boundary of troposphere and the lower boundary of stratosphere So one by one we will repeat all the points. It is the densest layer. It is closest to our earth. Upper boundary of troposphere is known as tropopause. It is formed from a Greek word known as tropos. And what is the meaning of tropos? Change into, mix into, turn into. And it is suitable for human settlement. Why? Because it contains the air that we breathe in. Weather changes takes place in troposphere, like formation of cloud, etc. Like formation of rain, storm, hailstorm, this all. Both temperature and pressure decrease with increase in height. Where? In troposphere. It traps terrestrial heat. Terrestrial heat, you can tell, like it means that it keeps the temperature of the earth according to which is suitable for the human survival. It does not allow the temperature of the earth to go very extreme during daytime, and in night it keeps the temperature of the earth warm. So I hope you would have understood this topic. Thank you.